One of the biggest problems we all face today are service calls and loss of customers resulting from defective or incorrectly installed connectors and the use of substandard cable. These unnecessary service calls are not only frustrating to our customers, but they cost DirecTV, your company, and you millions of dollars every year. The reason I say unnecessary service calls is because just about every one of these service calls could have been avoided if the technician that installed the system had only used approved material, taken time to put the connectors on the right way, and weather sealed all external connections. In this session, we'll be covering the reasons we need to use approved hardware, how to determine if the cable you're using meets DirecTV specifications, the importance of maintaining the integrity of the cable, how to properly cut on a connector, and how to protect connections from the elements.